Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. In this video, I will show you how you can save money and save yourself from various scams while purchasing products online during online shopping. So it will also ensure that you buy quality products online because there are a lot of fake reviews and fraud products that is being sold in platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, and so many other e-commerce portals. So for this, what you will need is that two plugins. The first plugin is called Fake Spot Amazon Reviews and eBay Sellers. So this works in Amazon. So I have already added it. So after adding it, it has come here. As you can see here, it has come here. Now, if you go to uh, the second part, it is the Buy Hudke plugin, which is again for Chrome, using which again you can try to get a lot of information. So I'll show you how it works. So you can go to Amazon and you can search for any product. So let's search for something like a TV. So let's take this. Now if you see here, this TV costs 12,990 rupees. So it is given 12,003 ratings of 4.1. So let's analyze these reviews. So what are people saying about this product? Okay, so based on Fixport review grade, it has given a grade of A. So this is the Amazon rating, this is Fixport adjusted rating. So it's saying customers are highly satisfied with the value for money offered by Samsung Smart LED TV, and good picture quality is the what do you call customers have mixed opinions regarding the quality of the TV. Then in terms of highlights, these are the highlights that has been put. These are the helpful insights. This is the review count. This is the price history. So for some products, for this product, the review remains same. But for some products, that the review might change. Let's look at something like refrigerator. Some products people might rate it better, but in actually it may not be good. So let's look at this refrigerator, for example, and see how it ranks based on the ratings. So here if you see, it has 2567 4.0 rating. Okay, so let's analyze this review. So it's analyzing the reviews. So if there is any deduction in terms of the reviews like fake reviews and all, then it will deduct the score. Okay, so if you see, Amazon has given 4 rating, but in actual it is getting a poor rating for this product. So this is the overview of the entire product. So this way you will be able to identify actual reviews, and you can see the seller has a warning, all those information that you can get from this. Now coming back to the other plugin, it's called Buy Hudke. So this you can see here, the ones that Buy Hudke plugin is that this is the Buy Hudke plugin. So you can see various things like spend lens. So you can check how much you are spending. If you go to orders page, you can check how much you are spending in the last few months. Okay, spend lens. If I put in analyze now, it will check how much money has been spent. Okay, unlock spend lens. This is a spending calculator. So for this, you'll have to log in. Then it will give you the spread of how you are spending in various platforms. So that is just one functionality of it. There are a lot of functionality of Buy Hudke. If you look at Buy Hudke, it has some of the key functionalities include it shows you the price over a period of time, historic price. So let's look at something like some other thing like yeah, this could be good, or any other product should work. Let me take iPhone 16. Okay, iPhone 16 should be a good example. Okay, this is iPhone 16. So this is the okay. So now if you look at it, I want to see price alert. So I can see all the price alerts. So this is the price graph. So I can see the price of iPhone in various point of time. So you see the date and the price. Now if you want me this system to inform me when the price drops in a week or in 2 days, then I can say, when you see a price drop, inform me. So you can customize a lot of things here. Once again, if I go here, should I purchase iPhone 16 now? So Amazon's lowest price till date is 67,007. Average price is this. So now if you look at today, what is the price? Today's price, if you see, it's 72,400. So based on that, you can decide whether to purchase it or not. So the chance of price drop is 0 for this in the next 2 to 3 days. In a month, maybe 62% chance is there. So you can set price alert by going here. Okay, so the price watch is on. Then if the alert price reaches at a particular point of time, then it will send an email if the price watch is on. So I can turn it off if I don't want, remove from watch list. So in this way I can track it. So I can check various coupon codes. So when I am checking out in the platform, I can toggle on these coupon codes and it will automatically apply. So that way I can save cost in terms of amount that I spent in my shopping. So now if you go to something like Mindra, so if some size is not available, then it will allow me to put a tracker so that when that size becomes available, then I can go and purchase it, which is again a neat functionality, I would say. So let's say this. Okay, let's say this. And one product I don't have, that particular size is not available. So for example, this one, right? Small size is not available for this. So if I say the size or inventory, okay, so here I have other options. Price watch, if I come here, this size is not available, right? I don't have this. So I can put a tracker to see when it is available. So you see out of stock alerts. You can toggle on out of stock alerts here. So when it is back in stock, it will let me know. So out of stock alerts can be enabled here. Let me toggle this what they call ad block off. Then I can toggle on out of stock alerts. You see here out of stock alerts. Now if I go in here, I can see ditto. Ditto means where I can see similar product. So if I can see the same product in other platforms, that will come in ditto. So in this way you can do a lot of things. It will help you save your money while shopping. I hope it's useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.